Hi everyone, welcome back. And now here we are trying to do that analysis on the Excel sheet that I have shown you previously. As a first thing, I have to import something called pandas as PD. When I execute the cell, I will have the pandas as PD ready in my notebook and I can use it. So I have PD ready. Now I am creating a new variable called df, which stands for data frame. You can give anything here, it's a simple variable. And then pandas offers a feature called read CSV, and we should give the path of Excel file that is stored. So I have it stored in this location. So what we have done in the first step, we have imported pandas, and then in the next step we are trying to read our CSV file that is there in our local machine and storing it in a variable called df, which is data frame. I am giving r because it takes error like slash and all. If you don't specify, it will give us errors. So let us just check if the data got saved in the data frame. If you give command called df.head, if you can see, columns are named as price and rows are named with index starting from 0 to any number. Also, we can give something called head of 10. It will give me the first 10 rows. If you wanna see what are the different columns present in it, you can just click on df.columns, which gives us number of columns present in the data frame with its name. And if you want to know a little summary of what this data frame is all about, you can simply you can simply give this method command. You can see its output. It is saying that the df that you have given to info method is a data frame. It has 46 entries with rows from 0 to 545. We are getting some basic information of the data that is given in the CSV file. We can see that there are total 12 columns with column names given to the left side, and it is saying all 546 values are filled. These are non-null. If you have some null values in it, you can also get it here, and it is specifying a type of each column that is there, like price. If you can see here, it is of type float. If you can see driveway, it is of type object, like that. Also, if you want in-depth summary of mean and something, mean, maximum, count of int or float type of columns in this data frame, you can specify this function called dataframe.describe. If you can see, to all the float or integer type of columns present in our data frame, it is giving us some summary. If you can see, there are total 546 price, and the mean, the average price of each house is this much. See, we are getting minimum count is this, maximum is this one, 75% of each data is this. See, within a simple single command, we are getting all the analysis that we want. Also, let us say in our data, we have something called stores. If you have observed here, we have one store building, two store building, four store building, and all. Let us do something like this. What I am specifying it here for one floor building. This is the command. See, whatever you have was one. I am trying to separate number of stored buildings into different data frames, and I will try to write it into a other Excel file or do analysis separately for each store building. Just click on Control Enter. And then if you see, I'm sorry, you can see all one store buildings are stored in this data frame. See, all two store buildings are stored in this data frame. So now, see, it is such an easy task to split data frames into four different data frames in Python and then do analysis separately. By specifying this command previously, our original data frame didn't change. Only the selected rows are copied and are stored in another data frame, but the original data frame didn't change. If you want to get in bedroom types, what is the maximum price for a single bedroom, maximum price for double bedroom, and maximum price for triple bedroom, and all so on? What we can specify is this is the original database. We are applying group by function on bedrooms, and then in the price column, what is the maximum value? That is what we are asking to our Python. Let's try to execute this. See, it is giving us as bedrooms. For single bedroom, maximum price is 45,000. This is the sample data. So that's why the prices are like this. For double bedroom, this is the maximum data. Similarly, we can get the minimum data. See, this is the minimum data in each type of bedrooms. If you have seen, observed here in the simple notebook, within few lines of code, we are able to get minimum, maximum, count, and data frame summary, data frame info, and we are able to split one data frame into four different data frames in a little or short span of time. We can do so much from this. So Python is really helpful to do all these tasks. This is like a kickstart to you all. If you can just focus more in this, you'll definitely get interest and you can progress much in data analysis. Thanks for watching.